we're in July.
Yes.
Just the beginning of July.
Correct.
It's very hot.
Yeah.
And last time we were
It's nice
here...
and cool in here though.
It is actually, it's true. Good insulation.
Yeah.
We were here about 4 or 5 months ago,
Yeah.
I think. And, well, this was all brick.
Yeah.
So I think you...
All the false ceilings are in now. All the plastering's done.
And there was scaffolding everywhere.
Yeah. It's all gone.
Yeah. And the floor wasn't in?
No, the floor's now in, but the reason it's not completed to the doors is the doors need to go in first, and then we'll put the tile down to the door.
Right, okay. And there was a dumper truck coming around here and dumping earth over there.
Because we didn't have any other choice. Yeah, they went through the kitchen.
Yeah.
So,
but it's amazing now because it's nearly finished. You painted.
we painted the upper level,
of
yeah,
it.
because we're taking the scaffold in. So all the lights are in,
Yeah, I saw that. Amazing.
and we've got a chandelier to hang at a later date.
Okay. How's that done? So.
Well, I've shown you
Ask a
downstairs in the
stupid
basement. No, I've shown you downstairs in the basement. What they're
I know,
doing is they're
yeah.
using pallets as the base for it. Then
Yeah.
they'll put the slabs on it, and then they've got special drill bits.
Okay. So they're drilling it and then they're pushing it on.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay.
So if you look here, I mean, it's
Yeah.
perfect there.
Yeah.
So that just doesn't finish; it continues under.
Yes. It's quite unusual, this one, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, this wouldn't be found in nature.
Yes, it would, Adam. This is real.
I mean,
How dare you say this is false?
I think it'd be quite challenging to find that in nature.
Yeah, it would.
Yeah. But it's nice. And this is the guest apartment.
Guest apartment.
Yeah. Okay. So they've gone for it a bit in here, haven't they? Yeah. So that's going to be the backdrop to the spa.
Yeah.
That was a
There's a bar area here.
bar area. Okay.
Which is the pool,
Yeah.
jacuzzi. There's a bar area here.
Okay.
There's a hammam there.
That's going to be glass.
Yes, the rest
Okay.
of it's glass.
Yeah.
Well, we obviously need to finish it with the mosaic tiling.
Yeah.
Shower there, sauna here. Then this is the garage.
So what's this? What, 6 cars?
Oh, easily, I would think.
Easily. Depends on the car, I suppose. Yeah.
You're probably going to get 8 in here easy.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a huge space, isn't it? And when you come out through this garage into here, it's amazing. It's really amazing.
No, it's a huge area.
It's huge, yeah. And you've got so much natural light, it's really good. Yeah. But I mean, now you can really see what an amazing plot this is.
Yeah.
And you really have a fantastic view.
You can see Africa and Gibraltar over there.
Yeah, just about. It's too hot, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so we come back in a few months' time.
No, you come
Champagne.
Well, no. Yeah, come back in September when it's cooler.
Okay, all right, we'll do that.
Okay.